What is a belt? Discuss its types and materials used in it. You must have seen a sewing machine. It consists of a small wheel driven by a larger wheel, which is run by feet. Here the two wheels act as pulleys and are connected to each other by a rope, which is in tension. When the machine is run, the rope transmits power from the larger wheel to the smaller one and runs the machine. Due to friction between the rope and the wheels, the rope used here is a flexible link and an example of belt. Thus, belt is a flexible link used to transmit power from one shaft to another by means of pulleys due to friction between them. There are several types of belts, but the three main types are flat belt, V-belt, circular belt. Now let's see each of them one by one. Flat belt. It has two flat surfaces and is mostly used in factories and workshops where moderate power is to be transmitted from one pulley to another, and the pulleys are at most 8 meters apart. V-belt. Its cross-section is trapezoidal in shape. It is mostly used in factories and workshops where moderate power is to be transmitted from one pulley to another, and the pulleys are very near to each other. Circular belt. Its cross-section is circular, like that of a rope, and is mostly used in factories and workshops to transmit large amount of power from one pulley to another, and the pulleys are at least 8 meters apart. Now let's discuss the requisites of the materials used in making belts. The material used for making belts must be strong, flexible, durable, and should have a high coefficient of friction. The three main materials which fulfill these requirements are extensively used in making belts are leather, cotton or fabrics, rubber. Now let's see each one of them one by one. Leather. It is most commonly used material for making belt. The best leather belts are made from 1.2 meters to 1.5 meters long strips. These belts are specified according to the number of layers of leather used, such as single, double or triple ply, and according to the thickness of hides used, such as light, medium, or heavy. Leather belts need to be periodically cleaned and dressed so that they remain soft and flexible. Cotton or fabric. Most of the fabric belts are made by folding canvas or cotton duck into 3 or more layers, depending upon the desired thickness, and stitching them together. These belts are commonly used in farm machinery, belt conveyor, etc. Rubber. The belts made up of rubber have layers of fabric fused with rubber, so that the fabric layer is sandwiched between 2 thin layers of rubber on its surfaces. These belts are very flexible and resistant to water. A major advantage of these belts is that they can be easily made endless. These belts are commonly used in bag scanners in airports and metros and sawmills, etc. Related terms are